Welcome back everybody, welcome back to the Doc Squiffy channel. So today we've got a quick video for you. This is more of a guide, a tip, help video guys. It's one we get asked a lot when people have issues with their Fire Stick, and what we're going to cover is how you can factory reset your Fire Stick. But there's also a way to factory reset your Fire Stick without going into settings, just from the controller. So if you're frozen, or if you're blocked, or if you can't navigate to settings, maybe you've got a launcher on and something's gone wrong. This is a situation we had yesterday, which we spoke through and we figured out how to fix it. So I thought, you know what, best way is to make a video on how to get it done. So, before we do that guys, what I want to do is quickly remind you, if you can, if you're new here, do hit that subscribe button. Come see the channel, we've got tons of guides for Fire Sticks, streaming, Android TV, giveaways, tech, everything, all back on this channel now. So hit that subscribe button, and there is an optional join as well if you want to. And if you ever get really stuck, you can follow me on Facebook. If you hit that follow button, ring that bell. I'm live there every day, and this is where we actually spoke through and I talked someone through how to factory reset their device yesterday. So, what we're going to do, first one I'm actually going to show you is the one you can do directly from your remote, guys, okay? So what you need to do is push the back arrow and the right button, okay? So these two. So hold down the back arrow first, and then hold down the right button. It will ping across. But just keep holding them, guys. Keep holding them. And we hold. And there we go, guys. Reset to factory defaults. Factory reset has been initiated and will occur automatically. Then you will just reset it, and then you will be able to relaunch your device directly through, okay? I'm not going to do that to mine because I don't want to lose everything on there at the moment because it's good for my videos. But that's simple, guys, okay? That's simple. So again, if you hold down the right... Well, hold down the back key first is the easiest part, and then push right. Hold it down. It takes about 5 seconds. It's probably near 8 or 9 seconds. And that's how you can reset it just from the controller, guys. Okay, do you understand? So it's the back button and the right. So hold down the back first, then the right. You can also... Right, that's the easy way. The simple... Say the easy way. That's the way that a lot of people don't know about, shall we say. The other way, obviously, you can do it in your settings. If you have normal control, you can go to your settings, My Fire TV, and then you've got your restore to factory defaults here, guys, okay? You know, it's up to you. These are just little tips, guys. Sometimes if you do get frozen out, sometimes you get frozen out your settings. If you've changed a launcher on your device, or if you're frozen in something, or if you just really need to get it done and you can't get to your settings, that's the best way to do it. Another quick little tip while we are here, why not? Let's give you another one. If you want to just do a restart on your device, if you hold down the play button and the select button in the middle, that one will actually just do a quick restart as well, guys. So if your device is lagging and you can't move around too much, you can ping a quick restart, and that will restart for you as well. I know, we're full of tips today. It's a really quick video, but I wanted to let you know of that one. So, complete factory reset, back button and right button, okay? Back button and right button. Restart, play button, and select button. And here it goes, guys. Boom. And that will fire back up for us now. Are you happy with those? Really quick video on that one, guys. It's just going to ping back on for us any second. Here it comes. We can get off of there now. So like I say, if you can subscribe for any quick tips and everything like that, we'll bring you some more. Any you want to know about, let us know underneath, guys. Again, follow me on Facebook if you want to. And before you leave, if you are interested, we've got a couple of links underneath from some companies we work with. We have some great deals on VPNs. We've got $1 a month on Ivercy. Cheap as chips. That's on a 5-year deal, guys. Link is directly underneath. And we have $3.33 on IPVanish, also linked directly underneath. Win-win. Hit a subscribe if that was useful for you guys. Maybe one you might want to save for the future if you ever get in that bad situation. And I'll see you then. Thank you very much.